The public should be aware. This is the statement of Senator Juan Edgardo Sani Angara regarding the current hearing on the proposed charter change. He said, it is good to have a collective dialogue so the public can also discuss about the issue.
Sa akin, maganda to para sa ating mga kababayan dahil naririnig nila yung mga argumento, makapag-isip din sila at sana magdebate din sila among themselves ano yung tama para sa atin. Para may collective, kumbaga ang pakay natin dito, may collective dialogue tayo within the whole country.
It is also important that it should be discussed in more detail and not just in the political provision side.
I think it's good to go through the exercise kasi first time ito na pag-uusapan na detalyado eh. Lagi yung usapin nagfo-focus o nagsisentro dun sa political na provision, yung dapat ba magkaroon ng parliamentary system.
Senator Angara added that the People's Initiative purpose remains unclear, but it will not affect the country's economy negatively.
Yung PI, hindi nakakatulong yun kasi hindi talaga klaro ano yung pakay ng PI. Di ba? Ang pakay niya, parang 2 stages yan eh. Yung unang estado, iayusin yung pagboto, na house lang ang boboto. Pangalawang estado, walang may alam ano talaga yung babaguhin. Kaya tayo dito, walang risk ito, walang pinsala sa ekonomiya. Dahil ang pinag-uusapan ay palagay ko makakabuti, hindi makakasakit sa ekonomiya.
After some hearings, there are some people who were also convinced on Chacha, but others remain strong against it. According to the senator, this is the true meaning of democracy where no one is being forced.
Palagay ko may nakukumbinsi, merong tumitigas din yung kanilang posisyon against. Tingin ko, kasi kita mo yung resource persons, iba-iba yung mga sinasabi eh. So talagang what we're seeing is, ito talaga yung demokrasya.
Future generations can still decide if they will still push the charter change if this will not be pushed through this time. That is why the Senate made sure that comprehensive and expert resource people are being invited in the hearings.
Kung di tayo nagtagumpay dito, hindi natin nakuha yung 18 boto, andyan yung records, di ba? So future generations can decide.
Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.